Hello friends, once again welcome to our favorite channel किरण कोलते बायोलॉजी अकॅडमी. सर्वप्रथम मागील 6 दिवसापासून एक पण व्हिडिओ पोस्ट केला नाही, कारण त्यासारखंच होतं. बिकॉज फ्रॉम लास्ट 6 days I am suffering from a mouth ulcer. Today I am also having some little problem. Then also I am managing today's lecture. So already in the previous part we have seen or we had covered near about 80 to 85% the part of the chapter reproduction in lower and higher organisms. In today's lecture we are going to deal with embryogenesis. तो in this lecture हम क्या देखने वाले हैं? embryogenesis क्या है? तो what is embryogenesis? The process of formation of embryo from a single diploid zygote inside in the ovule, that is called as embryogenesis. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एम्ब्रियो क्या है वो हम देखते हैं. एम्ब्रियो, व्हाट इज द डिक्शनरी मीनिंग ऑफ एम्ब्रियो? एम्ब्रियो इज कॉल्ड एज अ मिनिएचर ऑफ प्लांट. Whatever parts or organs are present in a mature plant, they all are present inside in the embryo but in a reduced form, that is called as embryo. So for example, if this is the embryo, so embryo we can clearly see when we open the groundnut seed. So at home we are performing this practice. When we open the two cotyledons of groundnut, for example here, towards the one end of any one cotyledon we get a one knob like a structure, this white color knob like structure. Now here in this picture, this dark spindle shape or knob like structure which is present towards the one end of any one cotyledon in groundnut, that is called as what? Embryo. तो इसमें क्या है? This embryo is provided with embryonic leaves, that is called as what? Plumule, which is going to produce a future shoot. Embryonic root, which is called as radicle, it is going to produce a future root. And embryonic axis, in that hypocotyl and epicotyl both are present. So embryo consists plumule, radicle, hypocotyl and epicotyl. After germination, this embryo is going to produce a future plant. In this today's topic, we are going to study how this single zygote is the end product of syngamy. तो syngamy के बाद after fusion of male and female gamete, so for example here male gamete which has get fused with female gamete, male gamete and egg cell, तो fuse हो गया, उससे क्या बन गया? A diploid cell zygote has get produced inside in the embryo sac. Soon after fertilization, that zygote develop a additional protective covering around itself. तो ये zygote क्या करता है? Zygote is developing a protective covering around itself. That and it become a oospore. So that zygote after forming additional covering around itself, then it become a oospore. तो उसका क्या बन जाता है? oospore बन जाता है. After formation of oospore, that zygote or that oospore undergo first mitosis. Now here the line of division, the plane of division is horizontal. Now due to the horizontal mitotic cell division, a single cell zygote has get divided into two daughter cells. But here, the whatever two daughter cells are get formed, they are unequal in size. तो ऊपर वाला जो सेल है, तो here now this zygote is present inside in the embryo sac or inside in the ovule, and here is the micropylar end towards the upper side. So after the first transverse mitotic cell division, zygote unequally divided into two daughter cells. The one larger cell towards the micropylar end. वरच्या बाजूला micropylar end जी मोठी cell आहे, that is called as basal cell, and the second cell towards the chalazal end or towards the central side of ovule or embryo sac, that is called as what? Apical cell. So here basal cell is a large in size and it is present towards the micropylar end, and apical cell towards the center of embryo sac, that is called as apical cell. This basal cell is also called as suspensor proper or suspensor cell, whereas apical cell is also called as embryonal cell. Why? Because basal cell is going to produce a future suspensor. This basal cell is going to produce this suspensor. So this suspensor is going to produce from a basal cell, and the multicellular, globular or heart shape or horseshoe shaped embryo which is going to produce, it is going to produce from a apical cell, and therefore the apical cell is called as embryonal proper. ह्याच्यापासून embryo बनणार आहे, therefore it is called as embryonal proper. Or basal cell is going to produce suspensor, therefore it is called as suspensor cell. Now here, now we have to focus only on a basal cell. First we will see the changes, whatever changes are takes place in a basal cell, and later on we shift on apical cell. So now basal cell afterwards it undergo 5 to 6 horizontal mitotic cell division. तो इसके आगे जो डिवीजन होने वाले वो सब कैसे होने वाले? They are going to take place horizontally. All mitotic cell divisions are taking place in a horizontal plane, and therefore due to 5 to 6 mitotic cell division from a single basal cell, a long stalk like or rod like structure has get formed. एक जो बड़ा rod like structure डेवलप होता है that is called as suspensor. अभी ये suspensor क्या फंक्शन है? तो due to formation of such a long stalk like structure, this suspensor is pushes this apical cell, ये blue वाला है apical cell, ये इधर वाला, this apical cell remain as is. तो ये apical cell इससे क्या बनने वाला है? It is going to produce a embryo. तो this suspensor is pushes this apical cell deep into the endosperm. इसके नीचे क्या है? बीच में embryo sac में endosperm है. तो that endosperm is providing nourishment for this entire process. तो therefore this apical cell who is going to develop a embryo, उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? Nourishment चाहिए. And therefore to obtain more and more nourishment, this suspensor is pushing this apical cell who is going to produce a future embryo deep into the endosperm. अभी ये suspensor के ऊपर concentrate करते हैं. When we concentrate on the suspensor, the large size cell which is present towards the micropylar end, the first cell of suspensor present towards the micropylar end, यानी this one. Here I mention that cell as a haustoria in green color. Now this haustoria suck food material. Therefore it is called as what? Haustoria. And the large size cell which is present towards the base, and it is closely associated with the apical cell of suspensor, that is called as hypophysis. Means suspensor is provided with two large size cells on two opposite ends. Towards the micropylar end, haustoria who suck food material, and hypophysis is closely associated with apical cell. Afterwards, here we finish with the suspensor. Now we are going to study what changes are takes place inside in the apical cell. So how apical cell, this single apical cell or embryonal cell is going to produce such a horseshoe shaped embryo having two cotyledon in dicot, and अगर वो monocot है तो monocot में embryo कैसे रहेगा? Provided with a single shield shaped cotyledon, that is called as scautel. So that we are going to study in the remaining part of this topic. Now here this apical cell undergo one transverse and two vertical mitotic cell division. So one transverse and two vertical mitotic cell division. Here I mention all these terms in an abbreviated form. So here this apical cell undergo one transverse. So first we will see one transverse. Now here is the apical cell. ये apical cell है, which is also diploid in nature. So all the divisions are mitotic. Therefore all the daughter cells are going to, whatever daughter cells are going to produce, they are also going to remain a diploid only. So this apical cell undergo first transverse. तो ये हो गया first transverse mitotic cell division. ये transverse. So here one parent cell divide horizontally into two daughter cells. So therefore two daughter cells are get formed. So one apical cell is going to convert into two daughter cells. तो ये हो गया transverse. Then two vertical. तो दो vertical में से first vertical ये. This is the first vertical cell division. Therefore four daughter cells are get formed. And finally, after finishing of second vertical cell division, a 8 cell pro embryo has get formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. एक से बन गए दो, दो से बने चार और चार से बने आठ. Mitotic cell division. In a mitosis is a cell division in which a parent cell divide into two equal size daughter cell. तो हर एक में क्या होता है, दो दो डबलिंग होता है. तो एक से दो, दो से चार, चार से आठ. तो फाइनली 8 daughter cells, 8 cell pro embryo has been formed. And here all these 8 cells are arranged in a 2 rows. In textbook it is mentioned they are arranged in a 2 tiers. Tiers means what? Rows. The upper and lower tier. The one tier is going to produce a radical, whereas the second row is going to produce a plumule. तो एक क्या करने वाला है, रेडिकल बनाने वाला है, और एक क्या करने वाला है, प्लूम्यूल बनाने वाला है. तो this stage is called as octant stage of proembryo. Later on, these 8 cells continuously undergo divisions and redivisions. They repeatedly undergo divisions and redivisions, and finally a multicellular mass of parenchyma diploid cells has get formed, which is a ball-like. That is called as what? Ball-like or globular stage of embryo. Later on, that globular embryo become a heart shape, and finally the heart shaped embryo become horseshoe shape, provided with either 2 cotyledon in dipod and single shield shaped cotyledon in monopod, with the plumule and radical. One thing here I want to tell you, इसके नीचे क्या है? Here is your hypophysis and the remaining suspensor cells. They are present like this. तो ये suspensor के cells है. तो ये suspensor and this is your horseshoe shape of embryo provided with 2 cotyledon in dipod with plumule, who is going to produce a future. इससे क्या बनने वाला है? It is going to produce a future shoot, and the radical is going to produce a future root. It is going to come out from micropyle at the time of seed germination in the form of primary root. So this is about the entire process of embryogenesis. So embryogenesis is a combined word, embryo plus genesis. Embryo यानी क्या है? A miniature of plant, and genesis means formation. The process of formation of embryo from a single cell zygote, who is the product of syngamy or first fertilization. In the next lecture, we are going to study about some important terminologies, those who are related with the reproduction in plant, that we are going to cover in our next lecture. If you are having any comment, put your comments or queries. If you are having any queries, put your queries in comment box. Sorry once again for absence from last 6 days. Definitely tomorrow onwards, at least one video daily we are going to post on our channel. Thank you very much.